Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Johnson, and I'm the founder and formulator of Osmosis. About 10 years ago, I began formulating Osmosis with a mentality that was dramatically different than what had been done before. You see, the idea here is that your skin is really the workhorse. Your skin has all the potential to create the changes you want. And not just changes that last as long as you're using the product, but actual permanent changes to your skin. And it all comes from a simple core concept, which is, let's make your skin healthy again. Let's feed your skin the ingredients it needs to truly live up to its potential. This is what we call holistic skincare. And there's a piece of this that you have to understand, and we all know within our hearts that how healthy we are on the inside affects how your skin looks on the outside. And while we're also working on aging and age spots and rosacea, we have to go inside and fix the internal imbalances that are causing those conditions. See, it's a combination effort, and that is part of the radical change that is osmosis. So I invite you to look around, to take a look at our before and after pictures, to look at the science, the clinical trials that we've accomplished, the remarkable exclusive technology that we're offering, and realize that it's time. It's time for a change. It's time for permanent change. It's time for radical change.